You know what, Fred, that's actually a really good question, and it's one that we get asked a lot. Firstly, you've got a great system. It looks very appealing in any situation that you put it in, whether it be a domestic or a commercial project. Secondly, our products are all made in the UK to a very high standard, and they fully comply with building regulations and all the UK regulations that they need to. The guarantee is on all of our balustrades and Juliet balconies with the handrail system, the hybrid systems that we offer, and that covers shape retention, finish. As it's all anodised aluminium, you won't get any rust or any tarnishing or anything, even if it is in the coastal environment, which is a really good benefit. Some of the key features with our balustrades are we have a structural handrail on the top, which is, number one, it's very ergonomically friendly. It's a very nice design. It's nice to lean on, as you can see here. Also, with our system, the handrail is structural. So, for example, if you look at the corner over here, we don't actually need any corner posts, so we get a nice uninterrupted view out of the corner. And that's achieved with the handrail being cut at angles and mitered together. Ideally, you'd have a wall fixing at either side, but if that isn't available, we have posts that can be used to fix the handrail to at the ends, and you probably may need some in the middle as well as an intermediate support. But the great thing with this is the posts actually go behind the glass, so you can get a bit of an optical illusion where it looks like you don't have any posts in the balcony, and they're only a very small 40mm profile. The bottom rail itself is just fixed down with self-tapping screws, so you don't need to perforate any waterproofing membranes. It can actually fit into a decking board and be absolutely fine, as long as the decking board is fixed down, of course. So as we were saying about the post, Fred, one of the other really great things is when you do need them, they're really not intrusive on the view. They sit behind the glass, as you can see here, and they really don't get in the way of the beautiful views that we would have behind us. This is the post sleeve itself, which is only 40mm wide, and there's a steel post that would be in here as well to give it the strength that it needs, you know. Yeah, it makes it very easy to install because the post can go in first, the glass clips in, and it doesn't attach to the posts. So it will do the builders a favour as well when it comes to installation. Absolutely, it comes as a bespoke package, so you'll get everything that you need to connect the balustrade together. So that'll include the handrails, the bottom rails. If there's any post, it will include the steel posts, which we call primary posts. It will also include the sleeves, and if you opt for them, we have base plate covers as well, which just clip over the top. So, for example, if you've finished your build already and the decking's already been laid, don't worry, you can bolt the post on top of that and it will still look nice and finished. The base plate covers just clip in. I can give you a little idea of how they look. So this is one of the base plate covers. It comes in two pieces. This would be the inside, so they clip together like this, and then it gives a little gap for the glass just to slide into, and a cutout for the post. So it just gives you that really nice, tidy finish. So yeah, we offer both of the systems in curved. We offer the airfoil with a curved handrail, and we also offer the orbit one here with a curved handrail. They are bespoke designs. We make them all from scratch in the UK with curved glass as well. It gives you a very high-end look, opposed to having faceted glass where you have straight panels to follow as close as you can to the edge. Whereas with this one, as you can see down here, it follows the radius perfectly. We do have a minimum radius that you can't go below. As with anything, if you try to bend something too tight, you will encounter some problems. But it does give you a very high-end look. If you have a curved balcony or a curved patio area, and you just want to finish off that high-end look that you're initially trying to achieve with the curve in itself. So it gives it a very nice bespoke finish. Along with all the brilliant things that we've discussed today, we actually also offer a premium package, which can just give you that last little peace of mind when putting an order through for these for the balustrades. And what you get with that is you get peace of mind service, where we'll come and do a site survey, we'll measure everything out for you, and then when it's you get unlimited revisions on the drawings as well, so you can fine tune it to the millimetre. Once that's been done and the balustrade's in fabrication, it will be supplied with the fixings as well, because we would have surveyed the base as a structure that the balustrades fit into. So it will even include the bolts, and it just gives you that final peace of mind knowing that everything is going to be safe, effectively.